Hello, my name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have not visited my channel before, I'd like to let you know that my channel is all about empowering people to be able to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. All with the hopes that the knowledge and information that we give you will help you to be able to live your dreams. Sometimes living your dreams is just getting an extra income coming into your house. Remember, they say knowledge is power, but it's only power when you apply what you have learned. Let's take this journey together, you and I, because I know if you have found this channel, you, just like myself, have goals and dreams that you still want to accomplish. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's review, and we're going to be talking about side hustles that can make you some serious money in 2020. In a world of uncertainty, it's very important that you learn to take control of your financial future and build your own security. So what we're going to do is share these companies that hire every day with you, and we're going to give you a cursory overview of what they're about and then actually visit their website. Today I'm sharing several work-from-home job resource websites, perfect for the stay-at-home mom, the college student, somebody who's unemployed, a retired person, anybody that needs to have some extra income. Whether you are looking to replace your income, you are unemployed, or just need an extra job so you can stay at home with your children, or create a side hustle income to aid in your family's financial well-being. These jobs that we're going to talk about today are perfect for that type of individual. And before we move to the next slide, I hope you will enjoy our presentation today, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, if you found this website today, evidently you're looking to earn some extra income. So the two resources that we'll be sharing with you this afternoon is Kelly Services US and Smith AI. If you haven't heard of these two companies, they are companies that have been in the business. Kelly, they've been out there since the 1940s, and Smith AI, they have at least been in the industry 20 years. First of all, we'll start off with Kelly Services, formerly known as the Russell Kelly Office, Kelly Girls Service, Kelly Girls International. It is an American office staffing company that operates globally around the world. This company places employees at all levels in various sectors, including high-end jobs as financial services, information technology, and law. So any field that you're interested in working in and have some type of experience, check out Kelly, because they'll probably have positions open worldwide and all throughout the United States for you. Now, the next company is called Smith AI. Now, Smith AI has been out here at least 20 some years. The person who bought Home Depot, the company and family that bought Home Depot, they are the owners of Smith AI. Now, Smith AI is a superior call answering service for small businesses and individuals. Their friendly US-based virtual receptionist helps you build better relationships with new and existing customers. Working at Smith AI allows you to earn an income and grow your career from the comfort and the convenience of their home, all while helping small businesses thrive. You work remotely yet closely with a team of receptionists operating around the country to answer calls and web chats. So if you're employed anywhere through Smith, you're going to be a virtual receptionist and a live web chat operator. So these are the two companies that we're going to discuss in detail, and what I'd like to do at this point is go ahead and visit their websites. And also I'd like to let you know that any website that we talk about or you visit today will be in the description section of this at the bottom of this video. So before we go to that site, I'd like to ask you again, if you found value with this review, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I release my daily reviews. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do now is go over to visit these two corporate websites. Hi everyone, right now we are looking at Kelly Services website, and we're going to go over some of the key things to look at when you do visit this website, because I strongly suggest that each of these websites that we give you today, that you review them, visit them, because they have so much information if you're trying to secure a job. So the first site we're looking at is Kelly Services. This is their corporate website, and as you see, they're connecting great people with great company, because that's what matters. Okay, if you're a job seeker, you come and click this button and go through the prompts to enroll as to find a job. And if you're an employer who wants to hire people, you click this link right here and follow the prompts. They said that what's next in your career? Getting stuck with a dead, boring, dead-end job probably isn't in your career plan. We get it. We're here to help people just like you discover what's next, because people keeping your career in motion is the best way to keep growing and evolving, and this is what we're all about. Let's get to know each other a little bit better, because they do hire at every level at this company. So whatever field that you're in, come here and check to see if they have any job openings. You can click this right here and find out about careers, jobs, all kinds of educational resources, finding business solution, and it tells a little bit about in depth the company. Now here is another page on Kelly Resources. It's about us, and it goes into depth about what Kelly is all about, okay? And it has the new concept of working. They provide these specialty services for people to work in the education field, science field, engineering, office, and light industrial. So they have something for everybody. So let's just say if you were coming to this site and you wanted office work. I had typed this in. I'm not going to put a zip code because I don't know who's watching this video. You would come here, put your zip code in, whatever job field. I put office work. It will come over and pull up this page, and then as you see, and this is 2020, January 2020 that I'm doing this, they have jobs all over that they're just posting. Arizona, Hawaii, Texas, Arizona, Texas, New York. I mean, you can just keep scrolling. They have jobs everywhere. So if you're interested in finding an employee, feel free to take a look at Kelly Services, because no telling what position might be open. And they have over 50 openings right here for just under the field office work. Okay. Now, the next company that we're going to talk about is Smith AI. And Smith AI is a superior receptionist service for live calls and web chats. So when you come here, you'll learn about their products. Their products is virtual receptionist. If you get hired by them, you'll be a call answering virtual receptionist, or they have a chat website operator. They serve their customer base that they serve to get workers for our attorneys, customer orders, customer service, e-commerce, financial services, home improvement, IT consulting, and small businesses. So they have an array of professionals that you can work for. Let's see. Also here you can come and learn about what the different jobs pay. You can hit this right here, learn more about the virtual assistants. Let's see here. You can book a consultation with them if you have any questions to ask them. They do, as you see right here, have a live chat operator to answer any of your questions. And it's an excellent United States-based company to be able to work for. Okay, and like I said, it's virtual employment. You're working anywhere in the United States from the convenience of your home. Now, right here, they say they operate Monday through Friday. If you did get employed by them, it's Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They hire for both full-time and part-time positions. A full-time position is 40 hours a week. A part-time position, you must be available 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week. And shifts are broken into 2 to 5 hour blocks and are scheduled based on the businesses that you'll be working for needs. The primary responsibility will be answering calls or web chats for a variety of different businesses, taking messages, understanding the caller needs, providing good customer service, and being part of a team, basically a team player. You must have a good work ethic, professional demeanor, prior receptionist or call answering experience, ability to follow instruction and clearly summarize details, ability to multitask, works under pressure well, and a great communication skills and positive attitude. You need either a desktop or a laptop computer with Google Chrome browser, a broadband internet connection, and you must have strong typing skills, 40 words per minute, 100% accuracy. This right here, they do have benefits. Okay, so your compensation and benefits all depends which entry level. It's either $10 to $11 per hour. They pay weekly. Raises are given based on performance and longevity with the company. They offer medical, dental, and vision insurance, retirement plans, cash bonuses, and paid training. So this right here is an excellent company to work for, and you will be getting benefits. So these two companies, Kelly Services and Smith AI, are the two side hustle jobs that we wanted to share with you today. And we will be giving more videos, putting more videos up to give you more information on other companies as we find out about them in the industry. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my review on side hustles, and they were Kelly Services and Smith AI. I hope that you have found value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like. I'm trying to get to my 1,000 subscribers. I hope that I gave you a lot of value today, and feel free to visit and share this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do reply to all my comments. And if you would like to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to leave any comments, and as I stated before, I do get back to all my comments. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure again to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next review.